Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss for those of you who are interested in becoming a freelance transcriber at Production Transcripts. But first, a little overview of the company. Production Transcripts is a transcription company that provides a variety of transcription services for different types of audio and video recordings. They offer flat rate pricing based on the length of the audio or video submitted for transcription, so customers know exactly how much they will be charged. They also offer personalized services for documentary and corporate video filmmakers. Additionally, they provide transcription services for lectures and speeches. Overall, Production Transcripts is a reliable and affordable option for anyone who needs accurate and timely transcription services. The good news is Production Transcripts continuously hires freelance transcriptionists. In this video, we will guide you on the step-by-step job application process. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is visit Production Transcripts website. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're on the website, navigate to the Employment Opportunities link below their website. This opens up the online application form on a new page. Step 2. Take a moment to read through the requirements and the application process. If you feel confident in your abilities, the next step is to fill out the application form. Be sure to provide all the necessary information and answer the questions accurately. Step 3. Copy and paste your resume inside the box. Step 4. Click on the Submit Application button. Once you've submitted your application, the Production Transcripts team will review it. If they find your skills and experience suitable, they will reach out to you for further evaluation. During the evaluation process, you may be asked to complete a sample transcription to demonstrate your abilities. Make sure to follow the given guidelines and showcase your best work. You'll receive instructions on how to access the available projects and how to submit your completed transcriptions. That's it. Don't forget to continuously improve your skills as a transcriber. Keep an eye out for training resources and industry updates. This will help you stay up to date with the latest transcription techniques and tools. So, hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights and tips. That wraps up our video on how to become a freelance transcriber with Production Transcripts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.